Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Game theory is tricky, but we will solve this payoff matrix. Let's find the dominant strategies for RKB and JCM now. Watch this. First, let's look at RKB. If JCM chooses Project X, RKB compares 20 against 10. If JCM chooses Project Y, RKB compares 30 against 15. Beta wins both times for RKB. Since Project Beta is always the better choice for RKB regardless of what JCM does, RKB has a dominant strategy. Now we must check if JCM has a dominant strategy too. If RKB picks Alpha, JCM prefers X, but if RKB picks Beta, JCM prefers Y. Since JCM's best move changes, they have no dominant strategy. Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and check steps to trust given data.